You're a much better person. Oh, whoa. Hello. Who's a handsome fellow, huh? Who's a handsome fellow? God, you suck! Hello, everyone. Guess what we're playing?
Doom! I mean, Halo! I mean, Call of Duty? No, Fallout, I'm just kidding.
Yep. So, this is gonna be a highlight reel. I don't know. We're just gonna record, put the best moments on here, and let you guys have at it.
There are spoilers for the campaign, the main game, the DLC.
Christ, you're level 72. We're just
yeah, there probably won't be much campaign story. I beat it. But the new DLCs.
Yes, we have it. What's it called?
Far Harbor, The Mechanist, Wasteland Wanderer.
Yeah, those.
Evans knows what he's talking about, don't worry. Everything's alright.
Team Elder Scrolls over here.
Same company who made this.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, just...
I know.
Wait, you said that. You know they made Bethesda help with Doom?
Yeah. Yeah, because they won't shut up about it.
I didn't realize they...
I'm just kidding.
I really didn't know
I love
they
you,
did
Bethesda,
it.
huh?
I didn't know they did that. I fired up Doom when I got it, and there it was.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of cool.
Oh, you can... Yeah, that is cool. But Bethesda's been at it for a long time. And it shows. They're the masters. That's interesting. I like if they try to keep you entertained with loading screens.
And then you change the color of it.
Oh, sweet. It's the little things, man. It's the little things. 30 seconds in, and he's over encumbered.
I can't see with your screen.
Oh, sorry.
No, I mean literally your screen. It's like really dark.
Helping set the mood. That looks like something that's trying to kill you.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, hey, buddy.
No. Priority.
Shoot him. Shoot him in the face.
It got off of him.
Bats is not wanting to cooperate with you. There we go. I'm gonna kill you, dude. Like straight up. Run! Oh my! What is that? Some kind of arena?
No, it's actually just a little tiny thing you build robots with.
Oh.
Yeah, you can build robot companions.
Oh yeah. That's cool. Something wrong?
No, I'm just like...
Molesting the microphone?
Absolutely. Hi, Nick.
Is there a wait button?
Yeah, no, I have to be in a building.
So stupid. You gonna hang out here for a while? Oh, that's much better. Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, like, night. Like, you admire me?
That's interesting.
Where are you, Nick? Whatever. We'll catch up eventually.
It's like he's been crushing on you this whole time.
Oh, no, I mean, they
It's like a romantic RP or a fanfic where he learns how to love and he falls into a gay relationship with you.
You can actually do that. You have relationships with your characters.
Well, yeah, I figured so, but can you do it with the robot?
Probably.
Sweet.
I
Got this, man. Feel like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Slow motion. Oh my. Bam, smash, bam. Dude, you're wrecking him. Finish him. I know you can't see it, but Fridge is really concentrating right now.
Oh, that missed.
I'm sorry. yeah, you like that? Huh? You like that? That's right, stay down.
Oh, I got a
Oh,
trophy.
you got a trophy. Oh. Get wrecked! Oh my god! He's alive?
He's dead.
Aw.
Dead of some kind of cancer.
Hey buddy. Everything okay?
What's wrong? Wrong? Oh no, nothing's wrong. We've just been traveling for a while now. And I figured, especially after all that stuff with Dima,
That's some important plot we're watching right now.
more
Not
about
really.
Oh.
So, is there anything you want to know?
Detective outfit.
What do you remember about the Institute?
It's all pretty hazy from back then, but now and then I get glimpses. Life inside the Institute, they keep you isolated. Single test chamber with my whole world for years. Someone was always watching. And one day you wake up on the other side.
His voice sounds awfully familiar.
You
What are you doing in this game, Mercer Fry? Thought I killed you.
What's with the outfit?
After I started the agency, it just seemed like the sort of thing it
Aw, he thinks he's people.
Faded to all heck, guys dressed like. Putting on the half trench coat on, figured to let folks know I was serious about the whole
I have
thing.
no idea what's going on.
I don't either. Wait, you have no idea what's going on? You're level 72 in this game.
No, I mean right now. Nick.
Oh, sorry.
Who are you?
Who are you?
So who are you, Nick?
That's a question I've been trying to figure
Oh.
out myself.
Well, I got really deep, dude.
I know I'm a synth, authentic Institute handiwork, but I'm still mechanical, not bioengineered like the fancy synths giving everyone the willies these days. I get tune-ups now instead of checkups. You remember when Dima was talking about the Institute's personality experiments? My memories, my personality. They're all lifted from some cop who volunteered for an experiment back before the war. They scanned his brain and copied it onto the hardware that runs between my ears. I don't know why they chose to make a robot based on some pre-war cop instead of a math genius or a bioengineer. Hey, maybe that's why the Institute tossed me in the garbage instead of turning me into one of their people snatchers.
Don't talk like that, Nick. You're a robot!
Wait. The original Nick?
Is that like the sarcastic answer?
What?
You're a robot?
I don't guess so.
Which meant when I finally ended up out here, it was quite the rude awakening. I remember waking up one day in a garbage heap, body in tatters and a head full of memories belonging to a man who'd been dead for 200 years. Suffice to say, it was a confusing couple of weeks. Folks didn't really know much about synths back then, so when I finally ran into people, they mostly treated me with caution rather than hostility. The kids, they weren't afraid.
I don't like where this is going.
First person to actually speak
Aw.
after I got the boot from the Institute. My first human contact in this world. Grilled me for an hour. Once they'd seen I wasn't going to hurt anyone, the other folks in the neighborhood came out to ogle the mechanical man. It eventually turned into a pretty swell soiree. Local mechanic even gave me a once-over free of charge. Those people treated me like a human being. I've been trying to return the favor ever since. It's a surprisingly rare trait out here sometimes. Something I've noticed you got a fondness for.
Ooh, is he hitting on you?
Reason I've stuck around this long.
If you're good to people, they'll be good back. It's something I've always believed.
Couldn't agree more. Well, I expect you're about as bored as can be listening to me rattle my skeletons. Should probably head out.
Oh, that was a touching moment we just had. You're alright, Nick. Fridge. Oh god. Thought you were about to just Bonnie and Clyde him. Fridge, no. You heartless bastard. No.
He trusts me.
He trusted you!
I'll kill him with the same gun that killed my wife.
Fridge.
I didn't kill her. I'm not gonna kill Nick.
Thank you.
Yet.
I know what you're thinking about doing, and I do not approve of it one bit.
Yeah, look at me. Just pulls a gun. It's like, I got you. I see you. Peekaboo. There's one up there.
Hello.
There's one right there.
Hi.
One there.
Hi.
There's one up there. Wherever I get.
It was like a sitcom intro. Like, go through them again. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
One there, one there.
Do-do-do-do.
One there.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
And there.
Do.
I could kill him. I could kill them all.
Why? You're a fraud. You did the right thing.
The right thing.
Oh.
For the
I have to let him be forgiven.
Yes. No one leaves.
No one,
No. He didn't have to do that.
no one cares, Nick.
We're fine.
Nick, stop it.
You're talking about cold-blooded murder.
Nick, be quiet. I want to make peace with Dima.
Clearly.
I want him to not do the bad thing. I want everyone to be fine, because I already know how this ends. And guess what? I have to kill another person to replace him.
Aw.
I know. I'm looking forward to it. I know.
Condensers will eventually fall.
I want to do something to me. I don't even know at this point. It's just
I
like,
want your body. What if
Oh.
they're? What if they're
oh
just-
God! Look at how creepy that is.
Well, hello, Nick.
Hi. You're beautiful.
They have all those fish people. They want to be with you, but they just don't know how to approach you. See? They're really nice guys when you get to know
I
them.
really want to know where that guy is.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Bye.